Welcome to Vidyanagar online class.
Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are fine and learning well. Children, have you ever observed the animals? Animals are in different size and shape. Do you know how do they give birth to young ones? Here are some animals. Identify the animals that lay eggs. Okay.
Children, here are few animals. Identify the pictures of animals that lay eggs. Yes, eagle, hen, then frog. These animals lay eggs. And rabbit, mouse and cat are giving birth to their young ones. Understood? Okay. Now listen the characters of the story. Ollie Owl, Mandy Mole, Tammy Toad, Barry Badger and Irma Eagle. These are the characters of the story. Okay.
Let us start our lesson. Lesson 1. Lost and found. What is the name of our lesson? Lost and found. It's a story about an egg. Ollie Owl had just woken up from his nap. What is the meaning of nap? N-A-P, nap. Nap means short sleep. What is the meaning of nap? Short sleep. And he had heard a big sound. Something fallen down. And he just flew down and checked that. It was an egg. Mandy Mole peeped from her burrow. Ollie Owl asked, "Who's this egg?" Mandy said, "Maybe it's mine." Then Ollie Owl said her, "Mandy, moles are not laying eggs." Mandy said, "You are right, Ollie. Moles are not laying egg. It's not mine." That time, Tammy Toad came there and she said, "Ollie, toads are laying eggs. It's my egg." Ollie said, "What? Toads are laying eggs, but toads are laying very tiny eggs. It's not yours." That time, Barry Badger. Who is Badger? B-A-D-G-E-R. Badger means a small animal. A small animal with white and grey fur. It's a small animal with white and grey fur. And he said, "I am very hungry. I am very hungry. I want to eat something. It's my egg. I am going to eat it." He was wandering in the forest. What is the meaning of wandering? W-A-N-D-E-R-I-N-G. Wandering means walking here and there without any plan. Walking here and there without any plan. Without any plan. Walking here and there without any plan. Who was wandering in the forest? Barry Badger. What is the name of Badger? Barry. Barry the Badger was wandering in the forest. He was very hungry and said to the animals, "One, it's my egg. I am going to eat it." Okay. And that same time, the three animals said together, "No, it is not your egg." Okay. This much enough. The remaining part of the lesson we will learn in next class. Okay, children?
Children, open your English textbook and come to lesson 1. Write day and date as shown by the teacher. Lesson 1, Lost and Found. What is the name of our lesson? Lost and Found. Here are few animals. First one is frog, second one is rabbit, and third one is eagle. What we have to do? Take the pictures of the animals that lay eggs. I have already told you. Some animals lay eggs and some are giving birth to their young ones. Now first one is frog. Frog lay eggs or give birth to their young one? Yes, of course, frog lay eggs. So put a tick mark over here. And second one is rabbit. Rabbit is giving birth to their young one. Okay? And third one is eagle. Is eagle give birth to their young one? No. Eagle lay eggs. So here also put a tick mark. Okay. Now listen. Ollie Owl had just woken up from his nap. Ollie Owl. Have you ever seen owl? What is the speciality of owl? Yes, owl only can see at night. It cannot see during the daytime. Ollie Owl had just woken up from his nap. Nap means short sleep. He heard a sound, thump. Who was that? Who? What sound owl makes? Yes, it is who, like that. Okay. Now listen here. Manty Mole peeped from his burrow. Manty Mole peeped from his burrow. Mole means what? A type of rat. And it lives in the burrow. And rabbit also lives in the burrow. Then Ollie asked her, "What? Whose egg is this?" And Molly replied, "Maybe it's mine." Then what Ollie told her? "Silly Manty, moles don't lay eggs." "Oh, you are right, Ollie. So I suppose it cannot be my egg." Then Tammy Toad heard Ollie's question. What was Ollie's question? Whose egg is this? Isn't it? From her rock, where she was on a rock in the pond and hopped over. Hopped, you know, frog and rabbit are hopping. Hopped over there. Whose egg is that? Again, Ollie asked. Tammy told, "Toads lay eggs. This egg could belong to me." Then Ollie told her, "Tammy, it is true. Toads lay eggs. But this is not your egg. Toad's eggs are tiny. This egg is large. It's not your egg." Then Toad replied, "You are right as usual. Ollie, this is not my egg." That time Barry Badger was wandering through the forest. I explained that badger is a animal, a type of animal. How it is? With grey and white fur. Okay. He was wandering through the forest. He was looking for eggs for his dinner. He was hungry. I love eggs. I was looking for dinner. This is my egg and I am going to eat it right now. What Badger told? I love eggs. I was looking for dinner. This is my egg and I am going to eat it right now. Okay. Take next page. The group of animals screamed out. What is the meaning of screamed out? Shouting, making a big sound. No, this is not your egg, they said together. Okay, this much we learned today, and put a tick mark over here. It means you have to read this lesson till here. Read it 5 times. Okay, once again let us read from the beginning. Ollie Owl had just woken up from his nap. Thump! Ooh, was that? Ooh! Mandy Mole peeped from his burrow. Whose egg is this? Maybe it is mine. Silly Mandy, moles don't lay eggs. Come to next line. Oh, you are right, Ollie. So I suppose it cannot be my egg. Tammy Toad heard Ollie's question from her rock in the pond and hopped over. Whose egg is this? Ooh! Toads lay eggs. This egg could belong to me. Tammy, it is true. Toads lay eggs. But this is not your egg. Toad eggs are tiny. This egg is large. It is not your egg. You are right as usual, Ollie. This is not my egg. Barry Badger was wandering through the forest. He was looking for eggs. He was hungry. I love eggs. I was looking for dinner. This is my egg and I am going to eat it right now. And here is the explanation of badger. Do you know that a badger is a small animal with grey and white fur? It is a nocturnal animal. It stays awake at nights. Okay, wandering meaning also here. Walking without hurry and without a plan. Next line. The group of animals screamed out. No, this is not your egg. Okay, children, read it 5 times and send an audio to the teacher. Okay.
Thank you, dears.